morning po.
Run and run, run and run.
Hey, what's up you guys? Another video na naman. And this video is very special kasi nga, it's March 11, 2025 and it's our son's first birthday. Uy, akalain mo yun, meron na kaming 1-year-old. Thank you Lord sa napaka-healthy and napakalusog na baby na tuloy-tuloy to for many years. So, eto nga, first studio photoshoot na aming baby and with the parentals. Grabe, hindi ko akalain ganito pala kahirap kapag may baby. But so far, so good naman ang kanalabasan. And meron naman kaming nakuhang magagandang photos na nakasmile at hindi ko inakala yung result. Ang galing! Mas kumaling pa dahil sa mga pa-freebies ng studio sa amin. Nga pala, ang package na inavail namin is kiddie shoot. May kasama na isang A4 size at dalawang 4R size printed photo. Kaya naman, if you're looking for a nice and affordable stage for authentic moments, I highly suggest Nice Photo Studio in San Isidro, Nueva Ecija. Right after the photo shoot ay nakatulog ang bida, kaya naman naisipan namin na pumunta sa bida ang saya, Jollibee. At hindi na ako nakapag-video dito dahil nagmamadali kami kasi meron pang ganap mamayang hapon. That's it for today at sobrang happy ko kasi kompleto kami ngayon sa special moment ng anak namin. More to come! Follow, like, share, and see you on the next one.